Kayla here, or Callie, and welcome back to another video. Today is a yarn haul. Guys, I have been talking about this yarn in my other vlogs and videos, and my yarn is finally here from We Are Knitters. I'm so excited. This is the first time I've ever gotten yarn from We Are Knitters, and the first one was the yarn that they brought back in stock called Yarnicorn. I know what it looks like based on pictures on Instagram and stuff, but I don't know what it feels like. I don't know if it looks exactly like the picture, so we're going to see today. In this box right here, this one has the Petite wool, and this big box down here has the wool. That's what I'm assuming. So I'm going to open this one first, which I got literally like a couple minutes ago. Where is... I brought a box cutter up here. Okay. I was excited. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. I didn't erase anything off this box because I was like, I don't care to Sharpie marker it, so you won't see me opening it. But I mean, you won't see me like using this box cutter on it. But let's see. The Petite wool Yarnicorn. And then We Are Knitters black sticker, whatever that is. Oh, okay. It comes like this is what it looks like. And it comes in this thing here. Put that there. It comes in this little bag. And let me get a thumbnail picture. Like you got lunch. Okay, this should be good. It does look like I got lunch. This is so cool. Okay, so I'm going to open this. Okay, okay. Ah, wait, these are big. Oh, I got 10 balls each. So I got 10 balls of the Petite wool and then 10 balls of the wool. So this is the Petite wool. Let me show you the inside of it. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. First of all, this is way bigger than I thought it would be.
Oh my god.
Right? It's huge.
Let me toss you. Yes, please.
Oh my gosh. First of all, this feels so good. I know this is gonna be scratchy on my skin, but I don't care. It's the Petite wool. Let me show you guys. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is Yarnicorn, the Petite wool. And let me give you a little look at how thick it is, or thin, because it's a worsted weight version. I think maybe it's worsted Aran. I don't know what it is exactly, but it's the Petite wool. It is 140 meters or 153 yards. That's good. Okay, and then it says to use an 8mm hook.
Knitting needles.
Oh, yeah, that is.
It doesn't have anything for hooks.
It doesn't have anything for hooks. Okay, well, I guess this is just a knitting yarn. What? Hello? Hook size? Like, where's the crochet hook? Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is...
It's 100 grams. 3.5 ounces, and yeah, it's Yarnicorn. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. And like I said, I bought 10 of these. This is 100% wool, by the way. And oh my gosh, so beautiful. I am going to swatch it, but you know, after, because I don't know what crochet hook to use for this since there's no recommended hook size. But since it's worsted weight or worsted Aran, I'm going to assume I can use like a size 5.5 and above. Well, like, okay, I'll say like a 5 to a 6 comfortably. I usually use a size 4. I doubt I would want to use a size 4 with this. I'll probably use like a size 5 or 5.5. Maybe a 5.
You could probably use a 4.5 because it's pretty...
Huh, I don't have a 4.5 hook.
You don't?
No. I have 4, I have 5, I have 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't have 4.5.
If you need one, I have 2.
Okay. Well, my sister Got me. So now I'm gonna unbox the wool, which is a super bulky version of the Petite wool. Okay. Yarnicorn 100% wool 10. Okay. Oh, shoot. This is what it. Oh shoot! There are two. There's another one. This box is so big. Okay. There. Wow. Okay. This one couldn't even close. Isn't even closed. So there are two of these bag thingies, and oh my gosh, this thing is huge. Hold on, bro. Okay, let me get one for myself and one for my sister because I know she's nestled over here. Oh, right,
Dude.
I don't even know what I'm gonna make with this. A chunky cardigan?
Yeah.
That'll be cute. This 100% has to be for winter because this thing is thick. I mean, I bought these for winter, so. Or fall.
Holy
So this is what it looks like. The wool. Let me just give a little spin. Okay, it's going out of focus. Go back in focus, please. Okay, now let me do a little finger thingy to show you how thick this thing is. Look at this. Like, what the heck? This thing is huge. This is a huge ball. It's the wool, 100% wool. The knitting needles for this one, the Petite wool, it said 8mm. This one says 10mm. And it is Yarnicorn. Of course, it is 200 grams and 80 meters or 87 yards, which is not surprising because usually thick wool like this, it doesn't usually come with a lot of yardage or meterage, if that's a word, just because it's so thick and it's so big. Like this is 200 grams. Usually it's not even 200 grams with thick wool like this. So let me show you the difference between the wool and the Petite wool. Like, oh my gosh. And I got both in Yarnicorn because I don't know. I just went on a Yarnicorn craze and I don't know what hook size to use with this. I'm gonna assume like an 8. Yeah, like an 8 or 9. And then for this one, probably like a 5. Oh my gosh, like this colorway is so beautiful. It's so, okay. I know wool is scratchy, but it's still soft. Like it is so very, it's like alpaca, but with scratchiness. If you've ever worked with alpaca, right? Yes. If you've ever worked with alpaca, you will totally understand what I'm talking about. So now I'm going to swatch them, swatch the wool and swatch the Petite wool and just like guesstimate on what size hook to use when I'm making these. And then you guys can comment down below what projects I should make with the Petite wool and what project I should make with the wool. I have 10 balls of each, so I should definitely have a good amount to make something whole, like a cardigan. Yeah, I can make like a sweater out of this one and like a cardigan out of this one. And a top, I can make like a cardigan and then a top to go with it. To go with this, I can make a top with this and a cardigan with that. Oh gosh, wait, maybe I want to use this before winter. Yes?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm over here making another size sweater.
For real. Okay, let me get my hooks. Alrighty, I just took out my Furls collector's box because I have a lot of my thick hooks in here. And I think I will start off with a 5.5 for the Petite wool and see how that is, especially since I usually use a 5.5 when it comes to worsted weight yarn. And I haven't worked with wool before. So let me take this out. Oh gosh, this is so exciting. I'm so excited. Does it have like a middle thing to pull out of? Please give me something. Nope, I'm not even gonna try. Let's just pull off the side. I got my little yarn turner thingy spinner so that I can I'll just put the yarn on here and crochet, pulling that. Okay. So let's swatch. Wow, this is thick. Whoa, this is thicker than I thought. Okay. I'll just do like a 5x5 swatch and see how that turns out. Okay, I'm chaining this already, and I think I already want to use a bigger hook. This is thicker than I thought. I'm using a 5.5, so I'm gonna go to a 6 and see how that is, because using that 5.5, I already experienced a little bit of splitting, but only because the hook was probably too small. So I'm using a size 6mm hook. It is in Taurus by Furls. So let's try this again. I said 5x5, but I mean 10. Guys, the 6 is it, okay? It worked up so beautifully. I did 5 rows. Let me just show you. Okay, these are 9 stitches with 5 rows. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's the back. This is the front. Look at how beautiful. First of all, look how beautiful the colors are. And then just look at how beautiful these stitches are. This single crochet, like, it worked up so beautifully. A size 6mm crochet hook, so perfect. So if you're using the Petite wool, definitely use a 6mm. I thought a 5.5 would be good, but this is thicker than I thought. This is a nice swatch, and I'm gonna unravel this because I am not wasting this yarn, okay? Okay. It is sticking together so much as I unravel it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm trying to save every scrap. I want every piece of this yarn safe. Okay, I'm gonna wind this back up. Now, time to swatch the wool. Guys, look at this thick strand. This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my little spinner. I'm calling it a spinner. Okay, so I put this thick wool on my spinner, and now we're going to swatch it. I'm going to jump the 7 and start with the 8mm hook. This is the limited edition Supernova Furls hook in the size 8mm. So now I'm going to do the same thing with this that I did with the Petite wool. Oh my gosh. I have not worked with yarn this thick before. Like, I used Sweet Snuggles. I think it's just as thick as this, but like, thick wool? Oh my gosh. my God. Bro. First of all, 8mm hook. Beautiful. Beautiful. This yarn slid on that hook like it was a butter. Look at this swatch. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay. Oh gosh, thick yarn. I might have a new love for thick yarn. Okay, I'm usually the thin yarn, fingering weight, mohair weight type of gal. But this right here, look at this. Look at how beautiful this color is, if it'll focus. Hello? Focus on me. There we go. Look, hello? Anyway, look at how beautiful this colorway is. Look at how nice the stitches are. I haven't seen anyone crochet with this yarn before. I need to see, hello, where are the projects? Please link them to me because I want to see them, because this is beautiful. This is nice. I am in love, crocheters. We need to step it up. We need to use what these knitters are using, okay? Like, they got all the great yarn. What are we doing? Hello? This is beautiful. I am unraveling it so I can keep every single strand of this yarn, okay? And if crocheters are using things like this, because I've only, like, the yarn that I've been getting recently, I've only gotten because I've seen knitters using them, not because I've seen crocheters using them. So it's like, we need to use what the knitters are using, okay? We are knitters, no, we are crocheters, okay? This is so beautiful. I am in love with both yarns. For this one, you guys probably heard my sister and I discussing. For this yarn, the wool yarn, I'm going to use this to make a cardigan, like a chunky cardigan. Oh, that would be so cute. I don't care. I'm not waiting for winter to use this, okay? I'm going to make this, like, crap. When do I have time for this?
August.
For real, like August? Okay, I will use this yarn in August. This might be like end of July, early August project. Yeah, projects, because I want to make a sweater with the Petite wool, and then I want to make a cardigan with the wool, and then I want to make a top to go with the wool yarn. So I'm going to use the Petite yarn to make a sweater and like a crop top, because after I make the sweater, I should hopefully have enough yarn left over to make a crop top, and that doesn't take much yarn, and then it can go with the wool Yarnicorn cardigan. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am so happy I got this yarn. I literally got this yarn today and these hooks today, the 8mm that I used. Like, how perfect. I got this one and I got this one. This is size 9. I was like, since I'm getting thicker yarns, I'm gonna need bigger hooks since I usually only use size 4. Like, come on girl, you can't use that. But this just got me so excited for my future projects, and let me know if you guys have gotten this yarn before. Let me know if you like it. What color did you get? Because Yarnicorn is not the only color in the wool and the Petite wool, okay? That's just like the most popular, I believe. But there are so many other colors, so many other yarns that We Are Knitters have. I bought this yarn myself. This is not like a sponsor video or anything, okay? I literally went to the site and was like, as soon as it dropped, and I've been going yarn crazy, but like I said, oh gosh, you guys won't see that video yet. I said it in one of my vlogs that I'm filming that I am getting so much yarn so that I can fill up my stash again, because it is like disappearing and I want to work with more natural fibers like I've been saying. So besides cotton, I want to work with wool and alpaca and mohair, and I've been getting those yarns so that I can stack up on them. Okay, you can never have too much yarn, in my opinion. I don't care what anybody else says. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see me make with these. Even though I already have an idea, I mean, you guys' idea could be a little better or something. I don't know. But that's what I plan to do with these. If you guys have this yarn or have used this yarn before, what did you make with it? I want to know. I want to see. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye.